Booyah!
All right, folks in TV land, how you feeling out there? This is your host, Mr. Pryc, and this is my co-host,
Karter.
Yes, and this episode right here is all about hygiene.
Yeah.
Yes. We're going to show you kids out there in TV land how to brush those teeth correct, right, Karter?
Yeah.
All right. So we're going to get things moving right along. All right, let's go. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. What's the first thing we're going to do, Karter?
Turn on the water.
Turn on the water. Well, what's the next thing we're going to do,
Grab all
Karter?
materials.
Grab those materials, folks. Yeah, that's right. What materials we going to grab?
Toothpaste and toothbrush.
All right, let's get that toothpaste and that toothbrush, man. And
Wet toothbrush.
what's the next thing we're going to do, Karter? What's the next thing we're going to do?
Wet toothbrush.
Wet that toothbrush.
Toothbrushy, brush too.
Sometimes you might want to sing a song. All right, so what's the third thing we're going to do, Karter? The third step?
Toothpaste.
Open that toothpaste. That's right. Let's open that toothpaste right on up, Karter. Let's open that thing on right on up. Let's open that thing right on up. All right. So now that you open up that toothpaste, Karter, what are you going to do?
Put a squeezer.
All right. So squeeze that toothpaste on that toothbrush, man. Oh, that's it. That's all you need. Don't put too much. All right. So, Karter, this is going to be my time right now, right? So, because your mouth is going to be occupied with toothpaste inside of it. So, while you're brushing and you're scrubbing up dubbing, I'll be letting them know step by step what's next. All right? So, next you're going to brush the front top of those teeth. All right. For how many seconds?
10.
For 10 seconds. Let's go, y'all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right. Spit that toothpaste in the sink. Let me know what you think.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it, man. All right, so the next thing we're going to do, Karter, we're going to brush the bottom front of those teeth, Karter. Let's go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Booyah! Spit that in the sink. Let me know what you think. How you feeling, Karter?
Great.
That boy feeling
I
great.
$1,000 money.
What? He feels like he won $1,000. He won $1,000.
And I'm like, dude, I like money, bro, on my teeth.
Oh yeah. But your teeth are gonna be white, not green. Alright, so check it out, Karter. The next thing we're gonna do, Karter, we're gonna brush the top right of those teeth, Karter. Let's go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Now spit that toothpaste in the sink. Let me know what you think. How you feeling, Karter?
Super great, like blueberries are gonna grow on my teeth.
What? That's amazing. That sounds like it feels healthy, man. All right. So the next thing we're gonna do, Karter, we're gonna brush the top left.
Yeah.
The top left. Oh, you're doing it right. You're right. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then spit that toothpaste in the sink. Let me know what you think. How you feeling, Karter?
Dude, like ICs are growing on my teeth.
What? He feels like what is growing on his teeth?
ICs.
Oh yeah. All right, Karter. So now that we brushed our top left of those teeth, Karter, we're gonna brush our tongue. We're gonna brush that wiggly, jiggly.
Forgot something. 2 things.
What did I forget? Oh, excuse me. We forgot to brush the bottom right.
And the bottom left.
And the bottom left. But first, we're going to brush the bottom right. So go ahead, Karter, and brush that bottom right. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now spit that toothpaste in the sink. Let me know what you think. How you feeling, Karter?
Like ice cream cake is growing on my teeth.
Oh man, that tastes yummy, yummy, yummy. That sounds so good. All right, Karter. So check this out, man. We're gonna have to attack that wiggly jiggly monster.
That don't have no brain.
That wiggly tongue doesn't have a brain?
Yep.
All right, so let's see it work. Let's see it work. Let's see it work. Let's see it work. Scrub it up, dub. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Attack that tongue. Attack those germs. Attack those germs. Get it, get it, get it, Karter. Get it, get it, get it, Karter. You got it, man. There you go. Wiggly, wiggly. Go get it. Make sure you get the back of that tongue, too. Make sure you get all of that, because that's where all the germs are at. Yes, that's where they live. They live in the back of your tongue, man. So you want to make sure you grab that, and you want to make sure that you scrub it up, dub, and get all those germs in that sink. Yes, yes, yes. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Show him, Karter. Show him how to brush that tongue, man. That's right. That's right. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. He's getting it. Are you scrubbing that? Are you scrubbing that tongue hard, Karter? Or are you doing it soft?
Oh.
You gotta scrub that thing hard, man. There you go. Oh, there you go. There you go. He's getting it. He's getting it. He's getting it. All right. Yeah. And the tongue you usually want to do for more than 10 seconds, maybe 20 seconds, because you want to make sure that you really get it. Right? All right, so let's count. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 9, and 10. Now spit that thing in the sink. Let me know what you think. How you feeling, Karter?
Rainbow icings are growing on my tongue.
All right, all right, all right. But let me smell that breath and let's see how it's smelling. Woo! Yeah, that smells good. It smells good. It smells good because I would have passed out like this. Ah, if it was smelling bad. But it's smelling. All right, folks. So that was our last step. Karter, what are you going to do right now, Karter? You're going to make sure that you
rinse the toothbrush.
rinse that toothbrush out for the next time. You want to make sure that your toothbrush is nice and fresh, so when you're about to try it again, everything is all right. All right, Karter, right?
Yep.
So once you do that, what are you going to do after that? Replace the
cap on toothpaste.
That's right, and you want to put back all those utensils, folks, for the next time. All right, so for now, we're going to say
Peace.
see you later. And this has been another episode of Karter's Kreations. Peace.
Peace.